Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet everyone. My name is Adebowale Hassan Olamide-Pong, popularly known as Apex Builder. Our topic today is things to focus on, things you need to watch out as a building engineer. The things you need to focus on in a construction. I will give us few, and in the next video I'm going to show you the best. But tonight I'm going to give us few. As a builder, the first thing you need to focus on in a construction firm or in a construction, one, the structural integrity. What are the structural integrity? Like foundation, the columns and beams, the roofs, attics. You consider the kind of foundation to be used. You consider the kind of columns, the kind of reinforcement for the columns, the kind of roofs. We are talking about the structural integrity. And as a builder, another thing you can also focus on, the building envelope. What are the building envelope? We are talking about the exterior walls, the windows, the doors, roofing, and so on. You need to consider the kind of exterior wall you need to construct, the kind of materials you are using for the exterior wall, the kind of materials for the windows and doors. This will give you a quality and sturdy building envelope. And with this, you have a little idea and little knowledge of things you need to focus on while constructing a building. My name is Adebowale Hassan Olamide-Pong, popularly known as Apex Builder. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Apex love you.